Hello, today we will guide you through how to change address in Gusto. In this walkthrough, we'll update a team member's work address from the admin side, so payroll, taxes, and filings stay accurate. You'll need admin or manager permissions in your Gusto account and the correct employee selected. Keep the new street address, city, state, and zip code handy so you can enter them without delays. Start on your Gusto company dashboard. From the main navigation, open People. This area houses all employee records and is the quickest way to reach individual profiles. If you manage multiple locations or teams, use the filters or search to find the person whose work address needs to be updated. Keeping everything inside the People Hub ensures the change flows correctly into payroll settings. Within People, go to the Onboarding section. This view groups team members who are still being set up, but it also provides a straightforward path into each profile. Open the appropriate account to view their details. If you're unsure you have the right person, glance at their role and location shown on the profile header before making changes. Once you're confident, continue into the employee's work details. Scroll down the profile until you see work-related settings and choose Manage Work Address. This opens the address management pane where you can review history and make updates. Select Change Address to begin. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for changing. Pick the option that best matches your situation so records reflect why the location changed, which can help with compliance audits and internal tracking later on. Next, enter the new address carefully. Type the street, unit, or suite if applicable, the city, state, and the zip code. Avoid abbreviations that could cause mailing or jurisdiction mismatches and verify spelling against the official address, such as a recent utility bill or postal lookup. When everything looks correct, proceed to submit. Submitting applies the new work address to the profile so payroll calculations align with the correct tax locality. If your organization operates in multiple states, this simple update can influence withholding and local filings, so accuracy matters. After submission, take a quick look at the work address section to confirm the new details display as expected. That's it. You've successfully changed a work address in Gusto.